Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to merge a 3ds Max file with materials. All right, so first up, go ahead over to File right here. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and create a box. Go ahead over to File. Now go ahead and click on Import and Merge. Okay, so click on it. Now go ahead and select the Max file that you wanted to merge. For example, this one. So go ahead and click on it and click on Open. As you can see here, we have the merge pop-up or the dialog box. So just basically select the objects that you wanted to merge, okay, or select all, just like so, or one by one, hold Control to select multiple. Let's say all, and then make sure that the list types includes all that you need, okay? For example, the geometry, shapes, lights, cameras, helpers, whatever. If you want to display subtree, enable it. Display influences, enable it as well as render settings if you want to. So just a tip here, grouping objects in the original file first makes them easier to find in the list. Okay, if you have, let's say for example, you have multiple groupings right here in the existing Max file that you wanted to import or merge, it would be easier. If it's not grouped properly, it will be harder for you, as the list right here goes a long way. And also, if there is a duplicate name here in the dialog box, just go ahead and choose Use Merge Materials. Okay, again, use merged materials to give the incoming material or auto rename it, just to avoid overwriting existing ones. Okay, so just go ahead and click on OK right here. And once that's done, as you can see here we have it merged successfully. Now you can go ahead and fix missing textures if it doesn't work properly, or if it doesn't merge properly. Okay, sometimes it will show you a gray picture. For example, this one, okay, shows you a gray, or it says missing external files. You can go ahead and press Shift plus T on your keyboard. Okay, and here we have the asset tracking option. Now you can just click on one, and then of course the one that got the error. Okay, look for files labeled missing or not found. Just right click on it and then click on Set Path. Okay, set the path, find it from your directory or browse folders, and then once that's done, just double click on it and you should be good to go. Now, if the object merged properly, but it looks flat in the viewport, well, just go ahead and select the object and press M to open up the material editor, and just go ahead and use the what we call this eyedropper tool, okay, that says pick material from object. Okay, to select the merged object, select it, and after that, the texture will now be visible. All right, so that's just how to merge a 3ds Max files with materials. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.